The Chinese military is on the verge of a groundbreaking technological advancement. They are steadily replacing soldiers with robots, equipped with rifles. Recent studies show that semi-autonomous machines can effectively shoot targets with rifles, just like humans. These robots are expected to boost combat capabilities and help secure vital facilities. Let's begin with one of the most promising creations, the Chinese robot dog, the Unrai B2. This remarkable robot continues to set new records. It can maintain its balance while navigating stairs and can accelerate up to an impressive 6 meters per second. It can also carry up to 120 kilograms and operate for over 5 hours on a single battery charge. The original model, the Unrai B1, was introduced in 2022 for industrial use. It was capable of underwater movement, carrying up to 80 kilograms, and running for 2 hours on a single charge without a load. Now, the more advanced Unrai B2 has arrived. This quadruped robot weighs 60 kilograms and features powerful actuators that generate 380 newton-meters of torque. These upgrades allow it to carry up to 120 kilograms statically and 40 kilograms while in motion. With a battery capacity of 2,250 watt-hours, the Unrai B2 can move for over 5 hours without a load, covering a distance of about 20 kilometers. It can also carry a load of 45 kilograms for over 2 hours. The actuators give the robot the ability to leap over 1.6 meters, jump off heights of over 1 meter, and run at speeds of up to 6 meters per second. What makes the Unrai B2 even more impressive is its stability. It can maintain balance on slippery surfaces, like floors covered with banana peels, and even when engineers try to push it over. The robot can also walk up stairs, backwards, sideways, or even while being kicked or pulled. It can climb slopes up to 45 degrees and navigate cluttered surfaces. For spatial awareness, the B2 is equipped with a LiDAR depth camera and a high-resolution regular camera. In addition to its industrial uses, the military plans to deploy the Unrai B2 for various purposes. And here's a unique feature. The robot can be transformed into a wheeled version by simply swapping out the lower part of its legs. At the China Air Show, a robot dog in camouflage green with protective mesh made its debut, showcasing the latest creation from China's military industry. The robot demonstrated impressive abilities, able to ascend and descend, move in all directions, and rotate on its axis. While exciting, the design raised some eyebrows, as many noticed that the Chinese version closely resembles the models developed by Boston Dynamics, a company recognized worldwide for its advanced robots. It's still unclear whether the Chinese military obtained a license from Boston Dynamics or if they managed to replicate the technology. Experts have expressed concerns about the potential military use of such robots, warning that this could lead to increased international tensions and even spark an arms race. China is showcasing its advanced military technology as tensions with the United States continue to rise. Recently, China revealed new cutting-edge weapons, including robotic dogs, drones, and spy balloons. Let's take a closer look at the latest robot dog. In October 2022, China unveiled a robotic dog equipped with a machine gun, which can be delivered by drone. In a video, the drone carries the robot dog to the top of a building. Once the drone departs, the robot dog stands up and begins scanning the area for potential threats in its firing range. These drones can be used to target vulnerable positions behind enemy lines or occupy rooftops, providing opportunities for three-dimensional attacks. From the video, it appears that the robot dog can carry various weapons such as automatic rifles, machine guns, or handheld grenade launchers. It's claimed that the robot can travel at speeds of up to 14.5 kilometers per hour and work alongside infantry and armored vehicles. The robot dog is armed with the Chinese QBB-97 machine gun, which can fire up to 650 rounds per minute and has an effective range of up to 400 meters. This weapon uses a new 5.8mm intermediate cartridge in a bullpup configuration. China's new combat robots are designed to adapt to any terrain and are meant to replace soldiers in particularly hazardous missions. Let's head over to the United States, where a robot dog equipped with a flamethrower has just hit the market. This innovative creation, named Terminator, was first introduced last summer, and now it's available for purchase. The company behind this futuristic gadget recently released a short video, just under 2 minutes, showcasing its capabilities. In the video, we see the flamethrower being filled at the back of the robot, followed by some impressive shots of the Terminator spewing flames. There's even a moment where it shows off its ability to jump. The company proudly claims this as the world's first robot dog equipped with a flamethrower, and it's priced at nearly $10,000. While some critics have raised concerns about the potential dangers if this technology falls into the wrong hands, the creators don't see their robot as a weapon. Instead, they market it as a tool for special effects, particularly given the company's involvement in the film industry. The Terminator is based on the smaller quadruped robot from the unitary G01 series. Although they could have chosen a bigger model, perhaps from Boston Dynamics, they opted for this one due to its versatility and ability to maneuver in tight spaces. Introducing the latest robotic dog, the Ghost V60. This innovative machine is already being used by the military forces of the United States and the United Kingdom. It's known as the Army's eyes and paws for good reason. Currently, soldiers from the 23rd Parachute Engineer Regiment in the UK are testing its capabilities in collaboration with experts from the Robotics Expeditionary Center of the Defense Equipment Group. These tests will determine how well the Ghost 560 performs in various conditions and how useful it can be on the battlefield. The Ghost 560 is a quadruped robot designed to navigate complex terrains, whether in urban environments or nature, at speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour. It can carry payloads weighing up to 10 kilograms, making it highly versatile for military operations. The robot can be deployed directly to the task area via helicopter or even parachute, and it's operated remotely using a specialized controller. However, it currently does not have an autonomous mode. To ensure reliability in tough conditions, the robot's electronics are protected against rain and other weather elements. It's equipped with built-in cameras on the front, rear, and sides, providing a 360-degree field of view. Additionally, it uses a light detection and ranging (LiDAR) system for enhanced visualization. In modern combat scenarios, robotics is becoming increasingly important, helping soldiers act more efficiently and for longer durations. The Ghost Vi-60 offers improved situational awareness, serving as the eyes and ears of troops on the ground. It enhances target identification and accuracy, allowing soldiers to operate more effectively. One engineer from the British Army highlighted its potential, stating, "This robotic dog can deliver critical equipment, scout dangerous areas, and even perform high-risk combat tasks that would otherwise endanger human lives." By taking on these challenging roles, the Ghost i560 is designed to reduce risks for soldiers, making their missions not only safer but also more efficient. In early November 2022, China unveiled an impressive advancement at a technology exhibition: a robotic combat dog equipped with an automatic gun mounted on its back. This development marks a significant step forward, as mounting a firearm on a robot poses several technical challenges, including managing the weapon's weight and dealing with recoil during firing. Despite these obstacles, the People's Liberation Army (PLA) has shown keen interest in integrating such advanced military equipment into its operations. These robots are being developed with heavier armaments and are capable of performing combat tasks either remotely or in fully autonomous modes. According to reports, the robotic dog can carry a 14-kilogram gun on its back. It is controlled using a military-grade tablet application and comes equipped with cameras offering a 360-degree field of view. This capability allows it to function effectively in both remote-controlled and fully autonomous operations. While this innovation demonstrates China's growing capabilities in military robotics, the detailed technical specifications of this combat robot remain undisclosed. In early November 2022, China unveiled an impressive advancement at a technology exhibition: a robotic combat dog equipped with an automatic gun mounted on its back. This development marks a significant step forward, as mounting a firearm on a robot poses several technical challenges, including managing the weapon's weight and dealing with recoil during firing. Despite these obstacles, the People's Liberation Army (PLA) has shown keen interest in integrating such advanced military equipment into its operations. These robots are being developed with heavier armaments and are capable of performing combat tasks either remotely or in fully autonomous modes. According to reports, the robotic dog can carry a 14-kilogram gun on its back. It is controlled using a military-grade tablet application and comes equipped with cameras offering a 360-degree field of view. This capability allows it to function effectively in both remote-controlled and fully autonomous operations. While this innovation demonstrates China's growing capabilities in military robotics, the detailed technical specifications of this combat robot remain undisclosed. Out of all the amazing robots featured in this video, which one stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget like and subscribe this channel for more updates. See you in next video.